Hi friends, it's Claire from ScrappyNerdUK and this is an unboxing video. So Turtle Crafts, I used to actually be on the design team. They have come back with a new kit club. They've sent me a box to unbox and review for you. So the first kit that's available is the Christmas kit. So if you are still in the market for getting some Christmas supply goodies, then I'll leave the link down below for the Turtle Crafts website. There's also a voucher code which I'll leave on screen. It runs until Saturday, I believe, where you can get free shipping on the kit as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up, and I like to save the tissue paper to use in my scrapbooking anyway. Oh, so open this up and see what we've got here. So let's get it out of plastic. Let's have a look at the papers first of all, and then we'll go through the embellishments. Well, there's lots in here, which is great to see. So first of all, we have this Chamel paper from Christmas Magic, and it's single-sided, and it's got the numbers 1 to 25 on. These would be great if I hadn't already done my December daily ones, but I am doing a traveller's notebook, so I might include some of these in that. And then we have this paper here. I'll try and lean it over to one side without it falling. This one here is from, this is an American Crafts paper. Oh, that's going on the floor. American Crafts, and is it The Colour of Memories? I'm not too sure if that's what the collection is called. But it's this lovely red with the white snowflake, and then this green and white stripe on the back. And then we have another one from American Crafts, and this one is all the Christmas trees. That's single-sided, that one. Next up we have another American Crafts one, and this one's red with a whole load of Merry Christmases on. And on the reverse we have this green and then a white polka dot. So traditional Christmas colours going on here. Then we have this one here. This is single-sided as well, and this is all the Christmas lights. And this is another American Crafts one. And then we have this one here. This is from Falala crepe paper, so it's this green with the leaves. And then on the back we have this peachy pinky with the stars, which is probably my favourite side. And I recognise this one. This one is again from American Crafts. This one is from the Snow and Cocoa collection, I believe. So I don't think it is from that. This is definitely a Snow and Cocoa paper, and this is single-sided again. So these are great. So these are a bit thinner. So these are great to use in travellers' notebooks. And we have this one here, which is Pebbles Holly Jolly, and again it's red with all of these white words on. And on the reverse we have this candy cane stripe. That's one of my favourite papers. Then we have this is from Falala again, and it's just Falala repeated. And on the back we have this pink with little pinky red Christmas trees. And then finally we have this cut apart here, which is Pebbles Cozy and Bright, and I love these. And then on the back we have this red with a poinsettia pattern, I think. So in total we have one sheet with all the numbers on, which just fell on the floor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 papers in here. That's quite a lot. So some beautiful Christmassy papers, and I love the addition of these pinky tones to match the pink from the crepe paper Snow and Cocoa collection as well. I'm pretty sure that's Snow and Cocoa. So next up we'll have a look at the embellishments. So first off we have these gold thickers. These are called Ella, and these are quite big, and there's numbers on here as well, so if you wanted to use those for numbering your days for December daily, you have those. We also have these are art screens. These are Heidi Swap art screens. So I think they're adhesive on the back, so you can pop them down and then pop ink through them, or pop texture paste, or glue it and then put glitter over the top. So we have a little happy holidays and a little stag. Then we have these die cut plastic shapes from Studio Calico, and I'm not going to get them out because they are going to go, oh, I will get them out because I'll show you. So they all go everywhere. I'm going to get them out. These, a little tip for you, if you do have anything in a packet like this, if you get a little Ziploc bag, even if it's a food bag, and just pop them in there, it saves them going everywhere. So in here we have a ton of snowflakes in a clear, a red and a green. So again, these are real. Oh, look at the circle ones, the little wreath ones. These are going to match the colours in this in the papers perfectly. So we have a whole ton of those, and these are great to use in the pocket pages. And I don't know if it tells you how many you get in there. No, but you get loads is the answer. Oh, 36. So you get loads of those to use. I'll pop those over there. They're going to end up going everywhere. Next up we have the American Crafts bits, and these are all wood chip, and you can actually see on the back which ones are in the collection or in this kit. So again, all the reds and the greens that will match the colours in this kit. Then we have another American Crafts, and this is a stamp, and this has got Merry Christmas on. I quite like the stamps with a handle on there, much easier, you get a much better impression with these ones. So a Merry Christmas stamp, that'd be great for card making actually. Then we have some washi tape. Again, this is American Crafts, this is called Peppermint, and you have all of these Christmassy colours. So a tartan, a polka dot, a candy cane stripe, a thinner one, we've got some glitter ones, and there's those little peppermint swirl sweets as well. So there's 8 rolls of washi tape in there. That's going to last anyone years. Then we have, these are from Jolie's Boutique, and these are called journal cards, and these are super cute. So you get 4 in here. I'm going to open these actually. So in here we have, oh wow, so it's like a felt pocket, and then the journal card, does it come out? Oh, so look at the acetate. So you have, oh, move that out of the way. You have something, that's not going to work. Let's find something white. Here we are. So there's this acetate piece in there in gold foil with Noel on. And then, I think, is that designed to come out? Nope, so I think that's actually stuck in there. Oh no, it does come out. So you can actually change the paper out if you don't want that one in there specifically. But that looks quite nice in there actually. So we have those. And then in here we have this one. So these are like pre-made journaling cards. How cute is that? So a little shaker pocket on there already, and then there's an area on the back so you could pop that straight into one of the little pocket pages, and there's an area on the back to write on. And then since I've got the others out, I'm going to get this one out also. This one here says Happy Holidays on a wreath. That's super cute. And then again, there's another area on the back to be able to journal as well. So those are pretty cool. I've not seen those before. And then finally we have these are from Snow and Cocoa. These are little gold wreaths, and again most of this will end up in my December daily stash for me to work through my December daily album. So this is the first kit from Turtle Crafts. They are back, and yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. If you do want any more information with regards to this kit, as I said, I'll leave a link down in the comments section below. And don't forget, until Saturday there is a code which I've put on screen for you, which will enable you to get free shipping. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon for another video.